Hey, what is up everyone? This is Moin from Curious Techie, and in this video I am going to unbox the latest Xiaomi's Poco F1. So let's get started.
So friends, this is the Poco box. Here's the Poco by Xiaomi branding, and it's quite attracting from here. You can see here the basic information and some barcode for shipment, I think, and the Poco branding. And here are the basic variant information and IMEI information about this phone. So let's quickly open the seal. Okay. The box is quite attractive because they look with black and yellow. Seems like a Lamborghini copy. So it's very attractive. Just open this. Okay. Now this is matte finish. Oh, I don't know about this. It's very awesome, man. Okay, let's remove this and we're good to go. Okay, right. Oh, it's harder. Let's open the box. Ooh. Oh, I think it's inside the inside this container. Oh, right. That's the Poco F1 for you, my dear guys. That's the fast charger. Here I'll just put it down, and this is the phone you get out of the box. It's quite nice, really. Okay, here's the SIM slot. There's the volume key, volume rockers, and power button. Here's the 3.5 jack, which is very good this phone, and here's the speaker and Type C connector, and here IR plaster lax. This is, I think, a noise reduction or mic. So here's the camera segment, fingerprint and camera segment, and this LED light. So let's see what includes in the box. It's a fast charger. It can charge. Xiaomi promises to be. This is the USB cable. It's quite good actually. I'll put it aside. Now let's just open these. This is a user manual. I think you don't need this, so let's put that aside. Okay, so it has additional cover included. That's quite nice actually. Ooh, but it's not so quality oriented, but you can use it. Okay. So you can use it for temporary protection, but I do prefer don't use it. Either use a protective cover or you don't use a cover instead. I'll just remove this. Okay, just remove this one. Ooh, so smooth, man. Okay, I'll just put this aside. Now the camera, dual cam setup. Ooh, so awesome, man. Okay, I'll just switch it on. Boom. I'll remove this. It's very, very sticky, man. Yes. Ooh, smooth as hell. MIUI 9. So guys, MIUI 10 is coming. I hope it's very nice, and I'll review about that video later on. So is India here? India, right. Next. And I'll just skip this all. Yeah, this is completed. So this is checking the information. I'll just click agree. Okay, The display is very bright, right? I'll just okay Google, okay Google, okay Google, done. Yeah, I'll just reduce the brightness once its setup is done. Okay, just skip this all. And my account, this is all needed. Oh man, I'll skip this for good. Password. Okay, so here we go. Allow. Okay. Whoa. I just reduce the brightness level for better viewing angles. Oh, this is nice, man. The OS is okay in my opinion, but the user interface is very smooth. Oh man. Okay, let's see the basic information about this phone. Poco phone. And it comes with 8.1 Oreo. This is all the information. So I'll just skip all this. So let's check the camera. There's some AI camera option, and okay, it says something. Okay, we will just read it afterwards. Now let me take some photos of this box, and I don't have much lighting here, so that's why I think these photos are not that great. And this is the selfie camera you get for this phone. The selfie is quite good, I think.
So friends, that's our unboxing video, and if you want videos like this more, or if you want a deep review on Xiaomi Poco F1, or if you want any comparison, or if you want graphic review, graphic test or gaming review, or if you want camera review, just let me know by commenting in the comment section. So that's it guys. This is Moin from Curious Techie signing off. Bye bye.